Appelez loin Sicile, la clé l'océan. Mon compte en côte, mon fin, n'a peine pour discuter. Mais elle va chic, n'a pour changer. Mon compte en côte, mon fin, n'a peine pour discuter. Mais elle va chic, n'a pour changer. Rouge, nous appelle trouve rouge. Blaise, on peut pas bien la mer. Zone, zone, ma varie zone. Rouge, nous appelle trouve rouge. Blaise, on peut pas bien la mer. Zone, zone, ma varie zone. À nous porter sur la terre.
My love for music began when I was very little in my mom's tummy, I guess. I was always passionate about arts. I was dancing for a long time, since I was 7 until 17, and also singing at school. And in my family also they play some music. So I guess I was dancing for a long time, then I wanted to change the form of expression. I would say that it's music that it's mixed. It takes a lot from the traditional culture of Mauritius, Sega, Sege. The rhythm is special here, so I try to mix a bit both. So finally I would say it's just world music. Life inspires me. Everything is an inspiration. I get a lot of inspiration out of nature. Spending time with my friends, we do a lot of social activities. My music is kind of conscious also. I speak a lot about some problems that we have also here in Mauritius. So for me, I think my inspiration is just the life around and how people are living and the nature and what is happening. It has a special rhythm. It is in 3. We count 1, 2, 3. It's not in 4 like music from abroad. It has different influences. The instrument itself, the raban that I play, it's an instrument that is universal. Also the history and the melody is inspired from the place. For local artists, I would say Menoir and also Eric Triton. And on an international scale, I think I am very much inspired by African music. So you have divas like Oumou Sangaré and Fatoumata Diawara from West Africa. So my journey with Attitude Hotel began with the contest that they organized called Compose ton la musique, Compose Your Music. At the end I ended up winning the contest, which I was a bit surprised. I'm glad that there is some hotels that are promoting local artists and also contributing into making them more professional. I imagine that someday I will be able to go around the world and spread my music and also carry my country with me to represent my country around the world.